Do you think that you're missing out all the fun just because you wear glasses? Today I'm going to show you this chic and trendy look. Hi, I am Mithu and I talk about skincare, hair care and makeup. I am applying L'Oreal True Match Foundation, which has medium coverage. But if you have dark circles under your eyes, please apply concealer. Then I am setting this foundation with a translucent powder. You can use a compact powder as well. I am choosing a slightly reflective tone for my eyeshadow. Pack the color onto 2/3 of the lid, just up to the crease. And then a dark brown shadow and apply in the outer corner with a blending brush. Apply the same shade in the bottom line as well. This will open up the eyes. Brow bone is quite visible even if you wear frames. So I am applying a bit of highlighter to enhance my brow bone. Kajal and eyeliner are the best friend for glasses. You can go fine, go bold. I am applying a thick line on both of my lids. Using a slanted brush, I am smudging the harsh line and then pack it up with a black eyeshadow so that the gel liner would stay all day long. My blush is soft, but I am going bold with my lips. I am using Diva from MAC, my favorite. Do let me know how you like this look, and please do subscribe and hit the bell button, and see you soon.